Question number 7, exercise 13.1. We have a tent whose bottom is made up of a cylinder and on top you have a cone. This is the diagram. You have a cylinder and a cone on top. The height is given for the cylinder. It is 2.1 meter and diameter is given. I have written the radius. For the cylinder, radius is 2 meter, means for the cone also you will have the same radius, only 2 meter. So 2 meter and slant height of the cone is given as 2.8 meter in the question itself. We have another dimension for the cone, which is the height, but when you are finding the surface area, when you are finding the CSA, we don't need the height, so we are not finding it. Okay, so everything else is given in the question. We are asked to find the area of canvas that is required to make the tent. So area of canvas, I have written the formula like this: area of the cylinder plus area of the cone. CSA of cylinder plus CSA of cone. In both the cases, I have not written the TSA. The reason is, see here I have something resembling the tent given in our question. This portion is the cone and here we have the cylinder. The CSA, I have taught you, when you are finding the total area, we have to always add only the surfaces that we are able to see or what we are able to touch. Here the CSA of the cone is visible, so you add the CSA of the cone. CSA of the cylinder is also visible, so we add the CSA of the cylinder. In the question itself, it is given there is no base, nothing at the bottom for the tent. There is only a hole. That means no base, nothing to add. So we have CSA of cylinder plus CSA of cone. We should not write the formula for TSA of cylinder or TSA of the cone. Now just substitute the formula: 2 pi RH plus pi RL. R is same no for both, so we can take common terms. Pi is common, R is common. 2H plus L. Substitute 22 by 7 into R is 2 into 2 into H is 2.1 plus L is 2.8. Here you see, when you multiply, we are getting 4.2 plus 2.8, which is 7, which is getting cancelled here. Simplifying, we get the answer for the area of the canvas as 44 meters square. In the question, the rate of the canvas is given as rupees 500 per meter square. So total cost, we have seen the formula already. Total cost is equal to area into rate. This is general for all the objects. When we find area, it is total cost equal to area into rate. Area is 44 into rate is 500. Multiplying, you get the total cost for making the canvas. Now the next shape, it is closely related to this one. Do you remember we compared two problems earlier with the same shape? We had a depression in one and a hemispherical top on one, and in another one you had a hemispherical depression. Here we are doing the similar problem only. You have a cylinder and a cone in this problem. Here also you have a cylinder and a cone, but the difference is, the previous problem the cylinder is hollow, but this cylinder is a solid cylinder. What is special about a solid cylinder? Solid cylinder will have a base. Okay, base is there. For hollow cylinder there will be no base. For hollow cylinder means like a tent, not the hollow cylinder with big radius and small radius. For these type of cylinders there will be no base, but here it says solid cylinder, so surely there is a base. Okay, and what they are saying is, from the solid object, which is a cylinder, you are cutting off a conical portion. So when you are cutting off the conical portion, what will happen? This side will be a hole, there will be only a hole here, so there will be nothing for us to touch or see. That means we cannot add it. But you see here, I don't have the exact sizes with me. I have a cylinder and from which I am cutting a conical portion, let us assume. Now the surface of the cylinder is visible to me. Also I am able to touch. And what about the CSA of the cylinder? Surface of the cone is visible to me and I am able to touch it. CSA of the cylinder is also visible, I am able to touch it. This is a solid shape, no? So you have a bottom, there is a base. So CSA of the cone plus CSA of the cylinder plus the base. This is the difference in the two problems. You have to write the formula likewise. TSA of the remaining solid means CSA of cylinder plus CSA of cone plus area of base. Now what should we do? Substitute the formula. If you have doubt, you should go over the video once more from the previous problem, from problem number 7. 2 pi RH plus pi RL plus pi R square. Here I have just substituted the values and done the simplification. We will take pi R common, 2H inside, L is inside and 1 R is inside. Pi is 22 by 7, R is 0.7 only, but for cancelling sake I have written it as 7 by 10. If you want, you can write 0.7. Then 2 into H is 2.4 plus L is 2.5. I have found out here, I have shown the calculation also, plus R is 0.7. Simplify, you should get the answer. Okay, area of the remaining solid. In problem number 9, you have a cylinder from which we are cutting out two hemispheres. We have a cylinder. And what are we doing? We are cutting out one cylinder from the top and one cylinder from the bottom. We are scooping out a cylinder or any object, any shape means that surface is visible to us. That means we can touch and see it. So you should add it when you are writing the formula, not subtract it. Why I tell this again and again is, many students when they say it is being removed, they will write subtraction. But it is area. Area means all, suppose you are applying paint, you will be applying on this side also, no? So you have to add it. If it is volume, it is okay, subtraction. But for area, we have to add only. Height of the cylinder is given in the question and radius is 3.5. This is also given. The radius of the hemisphere will be same as the radius of the cylinder. So I have written the same radius. It is given, it is an article. So I have written TSA of the article equal to CSA of the cylinder plus there is one hemisphere here and another hemisphere here. No? So 2 times CSA of hemisphere. Substitute the formula. 2 pi RH plus 2 into 2 pi R square. So you can also write it as CSA, surface area of a sphere, 4 pi R square. Take common terms like I have told in the previous problems, and for R, for the first case I have written 35 by 10, but inside the bracket I have written 3.5. So when I multiply, I will get 7, 10 plus 7 will be 17. Here this will get cancelled. You will get 5 without the decimals. That's why I have written like that. You write according to your convenience. Here I don't have any rough work calculation at all. I am getting the answer. Okay.